Now moving forward, I would like to invite Honorable Minister of Industries, Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Subhash Desai for speaking few words.
Warm welcome to all. At this outset, I would like to thank the organizers for arranging this event in spite of the worldwide pandemic. And I also welcome the business leaders present here today who are willing to invest in Maharashtra and be a part of the state's robust growth story. Maharashtra has been consistently leading industrialization in India. It has always been our endeavor of the state to achieve inclusive growth and equitable development. Our Honorable Chief Minister's leadership, we have intensified our efforts to offer a complete ecosystem of clear policies and simple procedures where businesses can operate and flourish. Honorable Chief Minister's Magnetic Maharashtra 2.0 strategy is focused to technologically transform the industrial ecosystem in the state. With this in view, we have made certain initiatives. Our Mahajob portal is a big step, bringing job seekers and job givers on one platform. Our Mahaparvana, that is master license, is the assurance of all the licenses, permissions, NOCs to be given at one single go. And people don't have to move from window to window. Our plug and play infrastructure is unique in this sector. These are a few examples how Magnetic Maharashtra initiatives are coming forward as a backbone of the strategy for state's economic recovery. Our vision is backed by strong policy framework. It is a catalyst for businesses to gain a competitive and productive advantages in the state. I am sure people here in Maharashtra doing businesses are comfortable and growing. As a result, year on year, Maharashtra is attracting more and more foreign direct investments. Our FDI inflow is 11 billion US dollars, that is near 80,000 crores of rupees during the past 1 year, in spite of the pandemic conditions. In addition to 2 billion US dollars regular investments. With these supports, our focus is to reach and achieve the goal of $1 trillion economy by year 2025. Maharashtra has consistently ensured strong performance even during the lockdown periods. We are growing in leaps and bounds across almost every investment parameter in the last few years. We host some of the most successful industrial clusters in the country with robust infrastructure and connectivity via rail, roads, ports, and air links. Specialized markets have been developed across the districts to bring suppliers, producers, sellers, and buyers together. Our retail business policy is a big help to the businesses. This brings us to our event today, which converges some of the top names in the industrial arena. Our promise of support and service delivery will extend well beyond this platform and match your investment intentions. I'm sure. I do hope to welcome and host many new investors from Turkey to the state of Maharashtra. With these words, I once again thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to share my views with you all. Thank you very much, friends. Jai Maharashtra.
I would like to thank Mr. Subhash Desai for your kind words.